Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I have a severe warning for you. So recently I tried to update one of my friend's PCs, and after the update and the reboot, it wouldn't start up again. It simply showed the Fujitsu logo, but that was about it. So no boot up, no BIOS recognition for the hardware and stuff. And so this happened in a Linux environment. So whenever you see this message, so that you should update the secure boot DBX, don't do it. Because it completely bricked the BIOS chip on that PC. So this happened to me last weekend. And then I started out trying to search the internet. And it came up with some interesting stuff. Here it seems to have bricked two identical PCs, and I've read an article where it's not only affecting the version of Linux 22.04, so it's as well the version 2404. And this article perfectly describes what happens or happened to the boot up, and that the BIOS does not work any longer and stuff like that. But I had to dig a bit deeper to find a solution for that. Originally, I landed on a page where it was supposed to brick Fujitsu computers with the Windows version 10 and 11. So there was another article on those, and so it affects the P556, 756 and 956 mainly. And after research, I ended up on a Reddit page that's dozens of P556 with corrupted BIOS after update and stuff like that. And it's not only dozens, I think it's thousands of computers. Luckily, the guide presented a link to the official guide how to solve this issue and how to re-establish the BIOS. So I will post this link down below in the description, and if you click on it, it will directly download the complete file on how to solve it and a description on how to do it. Basically, what you need to recover your BIOS is a ROM version. But unfortunately, Fujitsu doesn't offer to download these anymore. Luckily, with this link, you will get all the ROMs and the complete description on how to solve this issue. Attached to that is a PDF file with the service facts from Fujitsu, and let's look at the date. It's the 24th of June that it was released. So 6 days ago they released these service facts that were mainly provided by a technician hotline, and here you will find all necessary info. So it tells you the affected operating system is Windows 10, but as well as Windows 11, and I had it on the Linux version 22.04 as well. So if you scroll a bit down, you'll get all the models of the affected PCs. And interestingly, it's all labeled with end of life. So all these machines won't get an official update anymore for the BIOS ROM versions. But like I said, I will post the link in the description below so that you can download all the ROM versions for all the different mainboards. And it's important to say mainboards because the BIOS chip or UEFI chip goes after the mainboard number. So if you search for answers on the net, take a look at the serial number of the mainboard rather than the CPU or something else. Tomorrow I will try to recover my friend's PC with this method, and I hope it works out. So if you have further questions to this topic, please let me know down in the comments. And as always, like and subscribe and stay safe. Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.